Hey guys, today we will talk about the problem of this arithmetic sequence. Before diving into the solutions, let's recall the formulas for the nth term and the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic sequence. Given that a sub 1 and d represent the first term and the common difference respectively. In our first solution, let's solve a system of linear equations by using the formula for a sub 3 and a sub 8, recalling their values, expressing a sub 1 in terms of d, making this substitution and this rearrangement reducing this coefficient to 1 to get d and a sub 1 by substitution, and using the formula for s sub 10 involving a sub 1 and d to get our result. In our second solution, let's use the other formula for s sub 10 and the formula for a sub 10. Make this distribution. Use the formula for a sub 3 and a sub 8, and substitute their values to get exactly the same result as before. Alright guys, thanks for your time. Feel free to leave any comments or questions. I'll see you in the next video.